No, we definitely haven't done something like this. We've done a variety of topics like seduction, attraction, and dating, and ghosting, and variety of topics, but we've never actually done anything like this, and I think this would be a good start for a series. Now, in the dating world, frustration and disappointment can take hold, leading to a cycle of negativity. Channels like With Waffles and other similar channels amplify this discontent, fueling ad revenue. But today we break free from this defeatist mindset. But look, in order for me to empower you to take control, I must be straight with you. You must reflect on your own actions, embrace your own personal responsibility, and make positive changes accordingly. Blaming external factors is not going to help you at all. Instead, challenge negative narratives and stereotypes and do the opposite, subvert all of the expectations. Dating is diverse and complex, and you gotta treat it as such. If it was easy, you'd probably be back here complaining about something else, right? Now that is just human nature, so I'm not gonna blame you for it. So say goodbye to self-pity and victimhood. Take charge, challenge the status quo, and build dating experiences that you actually desire. The online dating landscape can sometimes feel like a realm where women hold all of the power, leaving many men feeling left behind. It may seem like women are only seeking validation and exclusively dating about 10%, top 10% of highly sought after men, while the rest are left in the dust. Is this a fact? Well, sure, if you believe the statistics, but that's the funny thing about statistics. They can always make it sound like whatever you want. But even if it was true, that still is a general view. It doesn't mean that it has to include you individually. There's no need for you to be part of those statistics. Sure, dating apps can be superficial and judgmental at times, but that comes with the territory. It's so easy to get caught up in all of the swiping frenzy and make quick assumptions based solely on appearances. And obviously a lot of people do just that. And then they complain, there are no men out there, or there are no good girls I can introduce to my mom. But here's the thing, there's more to dating than just a pretty face or a perfect profile. I mean, why would you even take anything at face value given just how well people are trained to curate their images or even videos these days? So instead of succumbing to frustration, you should focus on practical solutions. Break free from the limitations of the subsurface level judgments and dive into some meaningful conversation. Take the initiative to engage in some genuine conversation. No, hey, how's it going? Move beyond the usual small talk and dare to fucking ask questions that truly matter. Show some genuine interest, if for nothing else, then at least for some personal curiosity or the other person. I mean, everybody responds better when they know that the other person actually cares and is interested in them. Now remember, all of these women, no matter what you think they say on TikTok or to their friends, all of them are seeking connections just like you guys. They appreciate somebody who shows a genuine interest in them as a person rather than just basing it all only on some appearances and their social status. So this is where you come in. You have to subvert the expectations and prove that the narrative can be different, they can rise above the stereotypes. Be men who genuinely care and invest time in getting to know somebody for who they truly are. I mean, this is what you want for yourself, right? In this ever-evolving world of online dating, it's essential to challenge the norms and go beyond the surface. By breaking free from the shackles of this superficiality, we can create connections that are actually meaningful and fulfilling. So let's rewrite the narrative and show that genuine connections are within the reach for all of us.